Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an incredible NFT project that actually includes a collection of NFTs that actually you can merge them, then decrease the supply, what actually increase each NFT's value. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's actually not, so make sure to watch till the end in order to understand how you can actually increase your chance to make some money from it. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so what is the Nosy Blobs? How you can merge them, decrease the collection, and actually raise it in value, which is an incredible NFT collection that is coming soon on the Solana blockchain. First of all, the story. So the story is that day 25, cosmic jellies are creating shows across the planet, and these blobs actually emerged from a crater in Mars, which is a secret and unclear scientific research that was taking place. And the jellies were able to reach our world thanks to the Mars-Earth alignment, in which our planets are only 54.6 million kilometers apart. Now they're taking over from Paris to New York, from Iceland to Jordan, and you will be able to see how this story will turn out to be thanks to their unique collection of 5,460 NFTs. Those nosy and slimy blobs actually loves to steal, and the things that they are stealing are all kinds of objects and living things, and they're absorbing it to their sloppy body, and each of their NFTs will actually be composed of a colorful body, eyes, and maybe even brain, and common objects, that extremely rare artifacts that are coming from all around the globe. Now, the beauty in this project is that if you have more than one blob, is that you can actually merge them, and actually they will decrease, and the blobs are actually distinguished by a common feature, because when you merge them among to each other, you actually strengthen themselves. So if you will manage to catch more than one of those noisy jellies, you will be able to match colors, objects, and features and choose between the ones that you like the most. And doing so, your unique blobs not only will level up, but they will become more rare and valuable because they will have the worth of both of them and the strength. Now, the higher the level, because you merge more, the higher the money reward that you will gain each month. And the fewer blobs for everyone, more value for you. Now, the idea of the rewards is that they will have royalties, and the royalties are going to be 8%. And half of these royalties will be distributed among the 100 Nosy Blobs owners who have made more merges during the month. And the amount of money will be calculated based on the ranking. And higher the number of merges, the higher the rank. And the rest will be used by the team to do the marketing in order to continue to grow this project and to sweep the floor by buying blobs and burning them. Now, for each merge that you will do, your level will increase accordingly. And the higher your Nosy Blob level, the higher your rank, and consequently your monthly reward. Now, every month, 100 of those who made more merges will be entitled to a monetary percentage based on the ranking coming from secondary market royalties. Now, there won't be a pre-sale, and they decided it in order to give everyone the same opportunity to get the Nosy Blob NFTs and to have an equal price for everyone. So if you want to make sure that you will know everything about it and you will stay notified about everything that is going on in this project, I will totally recommend you to go to the social medias, to join their Discord, to follow them on Twitter, to follow their Instagram, and also enjoy special rewards, because their team will announce each day special referrals and rewards for each person who will follow all of their social medias. So make sure to keep up and to hear about everything that is going on in this incredible project. Now, if you want to know about the price, so the price will be announced in a few days before the minting starts. So as I said, stay notified in their social medias. Now, their roadmap. So their roadmap is going to be aparted to 5 main parts, which is, first of all, the welcome, which is cosmical greeting, jellies, keep up on their social medias, become a part of their Discord community, and you will gain access to limited Nosy Blobs referral and to special rewards each week. Second part is 25%, which is the rewards. Now, the Nosy Blobs are not willing to stop. The special NFTs pieces with special settings will be unveiled, and with them, some other worthy and valuable rewards for each lucky person who will manage to get one. And as you all know, the person that snooze lose, so make sure to stay notified. And one of these unique NFTs will be part of their special last referral. Now, in 50%, the minting will begin, and the price will be announced some days before. Now, once finished, they will add a Herity tool and their website, which you will be able to know your Nosy Blob rank and how much he was able to steal, okay? And the more that he was able to steal, the more worth that he will have, of course. Now the merge. So people who manage to catch more of these jellies will be able to merge them and match colors, objects, and features and level up their Nosy Blobs, and making this NFT collection progressively rare and valuable. And moreover, the higher the level, the higher money reward you will gain each month, and money coming from the royalties of the secondary market sales, as we talked previously. Now, cosmical surprises are not willing to end, and they're going to continue to be part of the Nosy Blobs community, and new projects will soon be unveiled. And just a hint, maybe they will land somewhere else, because as you can see, this project is very innovative with a lot of growth potential. As you are the first to develop an NFT collection that will decrease with the merge, you will be able to actually increase in value, because as you know, the less the supply, the higher the worth. Now, how this project is actually different from other projects. As you all know, each of these collections is almost the same in the NFT market, and the market is pretty saturated. And not only the creativity is always based on the same principle, but you have also the real risks as investors to the loss of value due to the constant addition of identical material, meaning that if something is very similar, sometimes it actually loses the value of the one that was unique before, but now not that unique. Of course, that NFT is still one of a kind, but if something is very similar, sometimes it can decrease in value. Now, in this incredible project, when you merge them, you actually decrease the collections and actually raise each one's value. And actually, the Nosy Blobs collection will help investors who want to gain by avoiding market oversaturations and increasing each NFT value. And actually, it's a story of a total different kind of creativity with unlimited possibilities. And that actually what makes this project very unique, because it can absorb anything that you can find on the globe. Now, throughout the merge, the collections will decrease, as I said, and actually acquiring more than one Nosy Blobs will mean that you will actually have the access to the merge. And by obtaining a new exclusive body, forget the old ones and choose between the most interesting or valuable objects of the previous Nosy Blobs that you were able to catch. So in one hand, you will have the passive income of holding them and to win the royalties, but the more you will actually make more merges, your Nosy Blob will actually level up and your rank with it. And each month, the rank will change. As you understand that the more merges will be, the NFT supply will decrease. And with the rest of the royalties, the team will continue to do marketing in order to grow the project even more and to sweep the floor. And doing so, the value of the Nosy Blobs NFTs can just go in one way. Now, all of this will happen in the Solana, and the main reason that it will work in the Solana is because it's easy, wider, faster, and cheaper. You will be able to actually do more of this project and have the possibility to earn even more. Now, if you want to take it to the next part, their collection will feature 11 exclusive pieces that will narrate the journey of the Nosy Blobs all around the globe. And each lucky one who will catch one of them will also receive a reward worth of $5,000 that he can spend them on trips. And also they are going to join to association and donate them based on their sales for safeguarding the ocean and its inhabitants. So for summary, if you're interested in this incredible project Nosy Blobs, so click the link down below and you will be able to actually take part of this incredible project of NFTs that you can actually merge them and decrease the amount of NFTs in this collection and actually raise each one of them in value. And as I said in the beginning, make sure to follow them all of their social media, especially on their Discord, for continuous giveaways in order to have the chance to have more assets in this project and to have the possibility to earn even more. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.